Hello everyone. You don't know how to find out your Metro Bank IBAN number? I'm here to help you out. Metro Bank IBAN number is essential for making international wire transfers, and you can find it by using simple method. First, open any browser and search for Metro Bank. Visit their official website. Select Login and choose Personal Banking. Now enter your 12-digit customer number or username. Then click Continue. Once logged in, find and select the option to view more account details. This will display your Metrobank IBAN number. There you have it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.